Guys, welcome to Colossus Mathematics class. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Alright, today I want to talk about transformation under complex analysis 1. So in today's teaching I'll be talking about transformation, and as you can see we said if W is equals to U plus IV, where our U and V are both real, is a single value function of Z equals X plus IY, then U plus IV should equals to what? F of X plus IY. Then U is equals to what? U of XY, and V is equals to what? V of XY. Then they said the set of this equation, or the equivalent of W equals F of Z, is called a transformation. So how does this apply to the transformation we want to do? I'll give you some examples now that will show you the parts of transformation in complex analysis. So let's see, if W equals to Z square, what is its transformation? If I want to find the transformation of this now, what do I need to do? I need to know that my W is what? U plus IV, and my Z is what? X plus IY squared. So let's open this part. So I will have U plus IV equals to, if I open this part, I will have what? X squared plus Y squared minus 2XY. Alright, I'm sure we know how we open this part. So let me open it here. So I have X plus IY, X plus IY. So X times X will give us X squared, X times IY will give us what? XIY, XIY. This times this will also give us what? XIY. And I times I will give us minus, Y times Y will give us what? Y squared. So that's how I have what? X squared, Y squared. You get what I'm saying? X squared, Y squared. Alright. So this is plus X squared plus, minus rather. X squared minus Y squared plus 2XY. Alright, so that's what we are going to have there. So now after that, what you need to do is to what? Is to compare. You can see that your U from here will be equals to what? X squared minus what? Y squared. Alright, your U will be what? S equals to what? X squared minus Y squared. And your V is having I, this one too is having I, so that means your V will be what? 2XY. So that's how to do this. So let's say we want to find out now. Let's say now we have W equals to 2Z. Let's say we want to find W equals to 2Z. What would that be? U plus what? IV equals to 2 open bracket X plus IY. And that what? U plus IV equals to 2 times X, 2X plus what? 2IY. Alright. So from here you can see that what? Your U is equals to what? 2x, and your V is equals to what? 2y. Do you get that now? So that's how to do it. Majorly, all you are just doing is compare raising. So let's say we have W equals to 2Z squared now. How are you going to do it? Or let's say 2Z squared. So that what? U plus IV equals to 2 open bracket X plus IY squared. That will be U plus IV equals to 2 open bracket. If you open this, we already open it to be what? X squared minus Y squared plus 2XYI. Alright, so that will be what? Open this, so that will be 2x squared minus 2y squared plus 4xyi. So you know that here now your U will now be what? 2x squared plus minus 2y squared, and your V is going to be what? 4xy. So that's how to do the linear transformation of any variable. So in my next class I'll be explaining on the other part of linear transformation, which is your elementary function. So don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed to this channel, like this video, comment and share. Thank you very much. God bless you.